you could be missing a massive opportunity on YouTube if you skip this video. Automated news channels are growing incredibly quickly right now. And the best part is you don't need a large team, costly software, or professional editing experience to get started. When I first started, I had no idea how to create this kind of content either. Honestly, the entire process looked extremely complicated. You have to find a story, write the script, generate a voiceover, collect visuals, and then put everything together in an engaging video. But eventually, I discovered a simple AI-powered workflow that can take care of most of these tasks for you. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create your own automated news channel from the ground up. First, take a look at this. A family in Florida captured a shocking moment on their security camera when a large tree suddenly crashed onto their driveway during a powerful storm. The footage shows the tree violently shaking as strong winds move through the neighborhood. Just seconds later, the massive tree comes crashing down, narrowly missing a parked car and leaving the family stunned. This entire short video was created within minutes using the exact workflow I'm going to show you, and the best part is that you can do it yourself using free AI tools. So let's get started. Before we make our first news video, we need to create and set up our YouTube channel. The first thing you'll need is a memorable channel name. For this, open ChatGPT and enter Suggest DS Unique one-word names for an AI-powered news YouTube channel. Press enter, and ChatGPT will quickly give you a list of different name ideas. Look through the suggestions and pick the name that feels the most suitable for your channel. Once you've chosen the name, the next step is creating your logo. Ask ChatGPT, create a detailed image generation prompt for a professional logo for my YouTube news channel. Don't forget to include your selected channel name inside the prompt. ChatGPT will create a detailed prompt that you can use with an image generation tool. First, let's create the branding for our news channel. For this, we're going to use Flow AI. Open Flow AI and go to the image generation section. Here, we'll create our channel logo using an AI-generated image. Enter your logo prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and generate the image. After a few moments, you'll have your logo ready. Now let's move on to the most important part, creating the actual video. For this, we'll come back to ChatGPT. We'll simply tell ChatGPT that we want to create a news video, and we'll give it the topic we want to cover. You can use a prompt like, create a short-form news video script about your topic. Make it engaging, factual, and suitable for a YouTube news channel. ChatGPT will then generate the complete script for your video. Once the script is ready, copy it. Now, we'll use 11 Labs to create the voiceover. Open 11 Labs, paste your script, choose the voice you want, and generate the voiceover. After the voiceover is ready, we'll come back to ChatGPT once again. This time, we're going to use ChatGPT to create the visual prompts for our video. Paste your complete script and ask ChatGPT to break it down scene by scene and create a detailed video generation prompt for every scene. For example, you can ask, break this script down scene by scene and create a detailed AI video generation prompt for each scene. Make every prompt directly match the narration. ChatGPT will generate individual prompts for each scene. Now copy the first scene's prompt. Come back to Flow AI and use that prompt to generate the video. Make sure the aspect ratio is always set to 16:9. Generate the first scene, then repeat the same process for every scene. Copy the next prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, generate the video, and continue until you've created all the scenes. Once all the scenes are ready, combine them with the 11 Labs voiceover in your video editor. Match every scene with its corresponding narration, add captions, background music, and simple transitions. And that's it. Using this simple workflow, you can create your own AI-powered news channel, from generating the branding and writing the script to creating the voiceover and generating the complete video scene by scene. So guys, now you know exactly how you can create an AI news channel and make news videos using this workflow. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more AI content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.